Hey guys, we back with another video. Today got another unboxing. Today I'm unboxing some shoes. Alright, so let me get over here. Crap. Alright, so these are the Jordan Fly 89. These are pretty cheap. These are like 145 Canadian dollars, 11.5 in size. And we got this off Foot Locker, footlocker.ca. Yeah. Alright, it's a pretty nice looking shoe so far. That's one pair. Here's the other pair. Alright. So let's get a nice picture of this, or a shot. Alright. So they're pretty nice. They got some holes at the front to let your foot breathe, I'm pretty sure. Your feet breathe. And yeah, they got this nice little red and all that. Like the Jordan, I'm pretty sure the Jordan 4s have like a similar kind of design like this. And I think that's where they got it off from. It's pretty nice. They have it both sides, in the inside and on the outside. The shoelaces are very minimal and they're quite long as well. There's nothing on the tips. Yeah, there's nothing on the tips, but yeah. Alright, so yeah, nice. Holy, okay. Here's the inside of it. It says Lunar. The bottom, or did I say that right? No, I don't think I said that right, but alright, whatever. Here's the bottom. They look pretty nice over here. They got the little Jordan logo. It feels like it's under plastic, but I'm not exactly sure, but it's pretty nice. But they got like a little orange color going on with it. I feel like a red would be much better, but you know, that's just my opinion. I don't know what these shapes are for. I don't know if it's for like balance or whatever. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah. The paint is kind of like cut off over there a little bit, but that's not a big issue. It's not really that noticeable. And yeah, inside. Let me try getting a light. Alright, let me try moving my camera a little bit. Alright. Screw this. Alright, so they got the Jordan logo in there. Nothing else really. Alright. They got some tissue in here. I'm gonna take that out right now. Yeah. Alright, here's the other one. Oh yeah, they got Jordan on the tongue as well. It says Jordan right there. Yeah. Okay. They also got the Jordan logo at the back. They got these off the 4s, I'm pretty sure, because the 4s have the same thing, or a similar thing to this. Yeah. Let me take this out. Alright, same thing, Jordan logo inside. And yeah, that was my little unboxing about this. Crap, this thing is not standing still. Alright, whatever. Let me do this. Yeah, that was my little unboxing right there. These are pretty nice. So thanks for watching. Like if you like the video, subscribe. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.